Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can add video or audio file to text message on this device. First of all, select Messages app and tap on one of your chats. Then select this plus icon at the bottom left corner of it and click on Files. Now you can select one of your files right away or click on one of your apps. You can also tap on audio and video filters at the top. If you wish to, by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner, you can also click on one of those sources, like downloads. Now hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added to text message on Xiaomi. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!